Welcome back to the channel. What is health insurance? Health insurance is a content between company and customers. The company agrees to pay all or some of the insured person health costs in return for payment of a monthly premium. The contract is usually a 1 year agreement during which the insured will be responsible for paying specific expenses related to illness, injury, pregnancy, or preventive care. The contract usually a one agreement during which the insured will be responsible by paying specific expenses related to illness, injury, pregnancy, and preventative care. Health insurance agreements in the US generally come with exceptions to cover including a deductible that require the customers to pay certain healthcare costs out of pocket up to a maximum amount before the company covered begins. One or more co-payments that require the customers to pay a set share of the costs specific services of products. Health insurance pays most medical and surgical expenses and preventative care costs incurred by the insured person in return for a monthly premium payment. Generally, the higher the monthly premium in the lower the out-of-pocket costs are to the insured. Virtually all insurance plans have deductibles and soaps, but these out-of-pocket expenses are now capped by federal law. Since 2010, the Affordable Care Act has prohibited insurance companies from denying coverage to patients with pre-existing conditions and has allowed children to remain on their parents' insurance plan until they reach the age of 26 to 3. Medical and the how health insurance works. In the United States, health insurance in tricky to negative. It is a businesses with the number of original and national competitors whose coverage, pricing and availability whose coverage, pricing and availability vary from state to state. Who coverage, pricing and availability vary from state to state and even by country. This video guys complete. Very coming soon next video. Take care.